here at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1930 Ford Model A rumble seat Roadster. And I must admit, this is one of the nicer Model A's that we have had here. The attention to detail and quality of restoration on this car really shows. 450 miles approximately since the restoration was done. Now we have dual side mounts, as you can see. Take a look at the chrome and bright work as far as the bumper, grill guard, headlight buckets, grill surround, and of course the hood ornament. All the chrome, beautiful shape, as is the paint on this car. All steel, Henry Ford. Take a look at the still pictures. 100 or so pictures of this car online. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 as we take a look at the paint on the hood in this tan nougat color. And then a really interesting kind of two-tone. It's almost a green gray. Looks fabulous. And then of course with the black fenders, wide white walls, nice looking combination. Interior, brown vinyl, and also finished off just as nicely as the exterior. I'm going to show you a couple things when we get around to the driver's side too. We'll start it up, let's hear it run. We're going to put the top up, check that out. Of course, the rumble seat, your step from there to the fender to get in. Hey, even a trunk on the rear of this one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. We'll come with a car cover and some manuals, troubleshooting, owner's manual, mechanic type stuff. That will be included. I'll put that back in the trunk here. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Coming around to the driver's side, and you can see how nice this paint is all the way around the car, which you'd expect with a quality restoration. Approximately 450 miles on it since that was done. Go nicely, this door fits and closes. All right, take a look at this interior. And now I want to show you a couple things over here. We're going to start it up first of all. Of course, there is a gas shut off right here underneath the dash. I have the gas on. Key on. Push start down the floor. All right. Attention to detail. So I noticed on this one. Look at this. Light works on the dash. But this is the one that really thought was cool. This is a vacuum line, so a vacuum operated wiper. That is in perfect working order. And there's your miles, by the way, 450. Fuel gauge also works, and amp meter. So all the gauge is working. Just wow. Slip around the action here at run. Sounds like you'd expect. So a 201 cubic inch L head, inline 6, underneath the hood. And speaking of which, we're going to check that out right now. So let me pause this a second. We get one of the sides of the hood open. You can see it from both sides in the still pictures. So let me get the hood open here. All right. And of course, it's as finished off as nicely under the hood in the engine bay as the rest of the car. Just how smooth that runs, how good it looks. Definitely nothing to hide on this one. All right, I'm gonna pause it one last time, turn it off. Let's get that convertible top up and check that out. And here's the top up. Just as nice as the rest of the car. So, got a tan or camel fabric. Look at all the vinyl trim is on there. That's back to that attention to detail thing. Look at the wood. Nice shape that is in. A lot of just little stuff that you notice on this car that, again, was quality from day one in the restoration process, and then everything just following through till it was finished and done right. Also has the snaps underneath there, so you can snap it to the windshield. Beautiful. 1930 Ford Model A Roadster. Like I said earlier, one of the nicer ones we've had here. 507-386-1726, number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the stow pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1930 Ford Model A. One of the nicest condition Model A's I think I've ever seen. This one includes map pockets down below where kick panels would be, and a rumble seat. This is of course a 3-speed on the Ford. This does have a convertible top, and the convertible top is up right now. Our amp meter is very high. It's pegged out to the right. That may be accurate, that may not be accurate. The car starts and runs really good. Fuel gauge is showing a half a tank. We're doing almost 40 miles an hour. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight. Very nice ride. Rides as a Model A should. This car was so clean, we almost don't even have to do much detail work to it. We have a wiper mounted to the windshield, and that does work. Brakes are working well. I love how these cars are just so simple. You make sure your fuel's turned on, pull the choke maybe for a second, starts up and purrs away.